In a world where technology evolves at lightning speed, artificial intelligence has emerged as a powerful ally, transforming the mundane into the extraordinary. For those just dipping their toes into this fascinating realm, the experience can feel almost magical. Imagine a tool that can write a compelling story, edit a video with professional finesse, or even create stunning pieces of art in mere seconds. Here are 5 astonishing AI tools that are accessible now, each showcasing the remarkable capabilities of modern AI. First on the list is OpenAI's Chatgpt, a conversational AI that feels like having a creative partner at your fingertips. Whether you're struggling with writer's block or need a fresh perspective on an idea, Chatgpt can generate text that ranges from informative articles to imaginative stories. Users can prompt it with a simple request, and within moments, it crafts coherent and engaging narratives. This tool doesn't just stop at writing. It can also assist in brainstorming, generating outlines, and even providing feedback on existing work. The ability to converse with an AI and receive instant, tailored responses can feel like a stroke of magic, breathing life into ideas that seemed dormant. Next up is Canva's Magic Write, an AI-powered writing assistant integrated within the popular graphic design platform. With this tool, users can create visually stunning presentations and social media posts while receiving intelligent suggestions for text. Imagine effortlessly generating catchy headlines or persuasive copy that complements your designs. The seamless integration of writing and design allows even those with minimal experience to produce professional-looking content. With just a few clicks, what once took hours of painstaking effort can now be accomplished in minutes, making it feel like you've tapped into a hidden reservoir of creativity. For those venturing into video editing, Descript is a game changer. This innovative tool leverages AI to simplify the editing process, allowing users to edit audio and video by editing text. Imagine transcribing an entire interview in seconds and then effortlessly cutting out filler words or awkward pauses by deleting the corresponding text. Descript also offers features like overdubbing, where you can generate new audio content in your own voice, making it feel as though you have a personal sound engineer. The ease with which you can create polished videos, complete with captions and transitions, transforms the daunting task of video editing into a magical experience. Art enthusiasts will find their muse in DALL-E, another groundbreaking creation from OpenAI. This AI tool can generate stunning images from simple text prompts. Picture this. You type in a serene landscape with rolling hills and a sunset, and within moments, DALL-E produces a breathtaking image that captures your vision. The ability to create unique artwork in seconds opens up a world of possibilities for artists, marketers, and storytellers. DALL-E doesn't just replicate existing styles, it can also innovate and combine elements in ways that surprise and delight, making the creative process feel almost like conjuring magic from thin air. Finally, there's Runway, an AI tool designed for creators who want to push the boundaries of visual storytelling. With advanced features like background removal and motion tracking, Runway empowers users to create high-quality videos without the need for extensive technical knowledge. The tool's AI capabilities allow for real-time collaboration and editing, enabling teams to work together seamlessly, regardless of location. The ease of transforming raw footage into polished content can feel like a wizard's spell, turning ordinary clips into captivating stories that resonate with audiences. As you explore these 5 AI tools, it becomes clear that the world of artificial intelligence is not just for tech experts or seasoned professionals. It's a realm of possibilities that invites everyone to unleash their creativity. With tools that can write, edit videos, and create art in mere seconds, the line between imagination and reality blurs, leaving users with a sense of wonder. In this magical landscape, anyone can become a creator, and the only limit is the breadth of their imagination.